At Eazi Access Repair and Service Center, precision and efficiency drive everything we do. From receiving and organizing key components to the skilled hands repairing and assembling machines, every step is guided by our commitment to quality.
At Eazi Access Repair and Service Center, we repair customers' machines according to Money Tower specification technical spec at a very quick turnaround time.
Once we get an order from our customer, we place the order with the supplier. We obviously look at the most cost-effective and quick supplier that will bring in the present time so that we don't make our customers wait long. As soon as I receive it, we send it through to our store department.
When I receive our parts or our stock from the suppliers or our buyer, I check the stock against the invoice, check if it's the right quantity that we ordered, the right quality, and then we allocate it. Afterward, I allocate it to the right location in our stores until I issue it to our technicians to work on the machine.
So here at the Eazi Access Repair and Service Center, once we've completed our assessments and compiled the faults on your machine, we would then disassemble the machine, and this is where we as a close-knit team come together. We all have a great passion for the machines and we love what we do, and this all strives to the enhancing our quality and delivering a quality product back to our customers. Whether it be from stripping the axle, measuring the tolerances on the discs, all the way to assembling engines, we would get everything back up to spec and standard and ensure you get a proper, beautiful looking machine back of top quality.
We offer our customers quality assurances for every step and every process that the machine gets repaired. There's a check and a process in place. This is to ensure the highest standards and the highest qualities are met at all times. Before the machine gets dispatched, load test inspection gets done on the machine, and this is to ensure that the safety standards are met as well.
We go out to customer machines, do a comprehensive full assessment on the machine, a visual inspection. We also do an internal inspection where we use IV tools to diagnose if there's any further problems. Once we've done a full assessment, we would come back to the office, look up for parts, do pricing on it, send that back to the customer. Once we get the go-ahead, the machine would come into the shop. We would start disassembling. If it's a full refurb, respray the machine, strip axles, replace brakes, do anything to the transmission that's required. Let's say it's a door, something that has been damaged on the door, we would remove the door. We would do some panel beating work to it, respray it, and then reassemble it back to the machine. And then from there, it would be washed and sent out back to the customer.
Every machine that comes through our doors receives more than just expert repair. It receives our unwavering commitment to reliability, responsiveness, and excellence. At Eazi Access Repair and Service Center, repair isn't just a service, it's a promise to restore your machines, keep your operations running, and earn your confidence today, tomorrow, and always.